Okay, so this is how you create a VidRush account. So first of all, we search for VidRush. So here it is. We click on VidRush. Now we select Get Started. So we can sign in with our Google account. Okay, so here it says how much are you currently paying for a video. So I will select I haven't started any yet, so we select the $0. Then it says how much do you want to make per month on a YouTube video. Then we select $500 to $2,500. Then here it says tell us about your goals. What's your budget per video production? Then we select $0 to $500. What type of strategy do you prefer? You can select any of your choice. Then they ask, have you earned more than $5,000 on YouTube? I will select no. Then what language are your videos in? You select English or any of your choice. Then this page says what currency are you currently operating in? We select USD. Then the second one says, have you used any other AI video generation tool before? For me, I will select none. Then this is the last step. They will ask for a short motivation for you to be let in. Then you can copy my prompt and paste. So I will give you the prompt in the description. You can edit it a little bit to make yours unique. Then after this, you can click on submit and you'll be accepted into the website.